Number 15, triangle KLM and triangle PRS are similar right triangles. Which proportion can be used to show that the slope of KM is equal to the slope of PS? We're going to look at these proportions and kind of eliminate our answer choices as we go, but the first thing we want to look at are the slopes of these triangles. Our slopes are KM and PS, and that's going to be important to realize because we're going to try to find, the way that the question is worded, we want to find the legs of the triangle that result in the slopes. So we really don't want those slopes into our proportions at all. So let's go ahead and highlight KM and PS. And if they appear in our answer choices, that's not really what we're looking for. So just by taking a look at that, we already know that B, C, and D are not going to work. But let's talk about why A is our right answer. So, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go from both sides of the proportion and we're going to highlight and see if those legs are highlighted. So we have KL and LM, and those segments look like they're on the small triangle, and we'll highlight those in green. So if our answer is true, we'll look at the other side, and then PR and RS should be the legs of the other triangle, and in this case they are. So which proportion can be used to show the slope of KM is equal to the slope of PS? A.